Hello you guys. So today I'm going to do another indie vendor haul video, and today I'm going to show you some products from a company called Kaleidosoaps. What a great name, right? Kaleidosoaps. And I was only able to order 3 products from Kaleidosoaps because, as some of you guys know, if you've been following my blog, I've been writing an article about my forages through the indie vendor landscape, it's called, on my Lushalot.com blog, and I'm writing about all of my indie vendor experiences, and I've not written about Kaleidosoaps yet, of course, because I haven't tried their products yet, but because I had a lot of, I think I've bought bath bombs and bath products from 10 to 12 indie bath vendors via Instagram and Etsy stores. And so today I'm going to show you 3 products that I bought from Kaleidosoaps. And so the first product I'm going to show you is a bath bomb from Kaleidosoaps, and it's a really big bath bomb and a heavy one. And look at this. Look at this. When I saw these colors, yellow, orange, and red, I had to get this because I immediately saw the potential for bath art in this. This one is, perfect name, called Jupiter. This is called Jupiter, and it's about as big as a planet. It's very heavy and large, and it just looks really cool, doesn't it? Let me let my dog in. And what I smell is this wonderful combination. I smell either sandalwood or rosewood, and there are 1 or 2 other notes in here that just smell very kind of calming and meditative. I'm really going to enjoy this, I have a feeling. So look forward to, I'll be uploading a demo video of this in the tub soon here on my YouTube channel. And the next product I want to show you from Kaleidosoaps is a shower jelly, and this one is called Lemon Tilia. Like, let me tell ya, but this one's Lemon Tilia. And look at the color of this. I mean, you can almost hear music. Whoa! It's so pretty. It's so bright and yellow. And I have to tell you, this is one of the best citrus smelling jellies I have ever smelled, okay? I mean, it just smells so good. Like a long time ago, I used to buy this Italian ice. It was called, well, I can't remember, but it was Italian ice, and I used to like the lemon Italian ice, and they used to put like a big quarter of a lemon slices and slice them up and put them inside the Italian ice, and it smelled just like this. I mean, it's just, this one has, it's, as you can see on the label, I'll read the label for you. It says, a fresh burst of lemon, sweet orange, and bergamot to revitalize the mind. It's just so perfect. I mean, oh my God. It's it kind of reminds me of I'm trying to think of what kind of something that Lush makes that's close to, just to give you an idea of what it smells like. I can't really think of anything. Let me see. Like it's kind of like if Party On, like if you took the minty part out of Party On, it's kind of, it's better. It's better smelling than that even. It's really, really nice. And so I am definitely, you'll be seeing this jelly in some upcoming bath cocktails that I do. So you can check that out there. Lemon Tilia. The scent is a 5 out of 5. Look at the color. I need color like this in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have my different color cubbies. I have my yellow cubby, my green cubby, my red cubby. So yeah, I know where this is going. So gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. All right. And the third and last product I'm going to show you from Kaleidosoaps. Okay. This is called Willy, Tonka, and the Golden Ticket. Boom. Can we look at it? It's like a paisley pattern that's made out of purple. This is a shower oil. All right, here's the back of it. There's the side. It's got gold leaf on it, just like a golden ticket. Just like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory's Golden Ticket. I love to play on the word Wonka. This is made with Tonka bean. And it's got also a cocoa middle note. Ooh, I mean, I didn't expect chocolate. I don't know why, but I expected like a violet scent. I guess because of the color kind of threw me. And I did not expect this cocoa goodness. I did not expect it. And that makes sense because it was a chocolate bar that had the golden ticket in it. I'm just so impressed. Now, Willy Wonka wore this color jacket in the story, in the book, Roald Dahl's book. So this really smells good. Okay, it's not a sickly sweet scent. It's not a fake unnatural kind of cocoa scent. It's a natural, sort of yummy, not overly sweet cocoa scent with a little bit of that vanilla from the Tonka. You know, Tonka bean is sort of, it's sort of like vanilla. It's sort of like a little caramely, a little bit more caramely kind of vanilla note. That's the note that it brings to things. So this smells yummy. And the thing that really blew my mind, okay, now in order to explain this, I'm going to have to admit something to you that I don't know if I want to admit, but when I order things from Lush, and when I ordered the things from these 10 to 12 indie vendors that I've been ordering from over the past 2 months, I really never take into account the temperature of the weather here where I live. And it has been an average of 103 here where I live in the desert, which it gets much warmer than this. 103 isn't the hottest that it gets, but it's pretty damn warm. And certainly too warm for any kind of bath oils or bath melts. Now, 2 bath oils and bath melts from 2 different companies came to my house during this 103 temp time. One of them was the honey drip bath oils from Lush. They came in one package, and then this came in one package. Now, the ones from Lush were, I was home when I got those, okay? So the guy handed them right to me at the door, and they were almost melted. I had to rush them into the freezer, and they were kind of half stuck to other things. But I was surprised that they didn't just melt all over the place in my box. I was impressed that they were still in some kind of discernible shape. So good for you, Lush. They package them rather well, and in that they insulate them really well with packing peanuts. And so I find the bigger the box, the less likelihood of melting. The smaller the box, the easier it is for that box to heat up. So anyway, but I was astounded to find that not only was this not melted, it was still solid. To me, that was like, it was kind of going against the laws of physics. but yeah, it was solid. So I don't know what kind of magic they make these with, but anyway, how you use this is similar to a Lush shower oil. Lush has new shower oils. I don't know if you know that. I did a video, a haul. I have all the 6 of the new Lush shower gels, and I have a video and a page on them on my blog. Anyway, they work similarly. So you use it, say you're in the shower, and you use this. You can use it as a soap. It's a low lather soap, and I kind of liken it to co-washing for your hair. It's kind of a similar concept for your body. So you're not really washing with anything that has a lot of SLS or suds. You're really just wetting it, providing it with some conditioning and some cleansing in a non-stripping way. And so you wet yourself, and then you rub the oil on there until you see a white sort of oily lather. It turns opaque, in other words, white. And once you see that, then you just smooth it on your skin, leave it on your skin for about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute, and then rinse it off with warm water in your shower, and then towel dry, and you're ready to get out of the shower. So it's moisturizing without being oily or greasy. It's some kind of magic formula, and I cannot wait to demo this at the sink for you. So I'm going to do that and turn the camera around, go to the sink, and show you how it's used. So you just rub it on until you see a white milky substance, and that's the shower oil. And like I say, it won't have sudsy lather, and that's what you should see. And then you just rub that on your skin for a while, and then after about 30 seconds to a minute, you can rinse it off with warm water in the shower. And it doesn't take a lot of rinsing to rinse it off. It comes off rather easily, and it doesn't leave any kind of oily or greasy or weird stuff behind on the skin whatsoever. So that was Willy, Tonka, and the Golden Ticket from Kaleidosoaps. And so those are the 3 items that I got from Kaleidosoaps. I got the Willy, Tonka, and the Golden Ticket shower oil, the lemon Tilia shower jelly made with bergamot, orange oil, and lemon, and the Jupiter bath bomb, the giant, gorgeous, planet-looking bath bomb that smells so far of some kind of calming, incensey like notes that I'm in love with. So I will be doing a demo video of this and writing about it and such, and making pictures on my blog. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and I'll put the prices and the links to these products down below in the description box. So if you enjoy this video, please like my video by giving me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be notified. If you hit the bell and click on all notifications, you won't miss a video when I upload about these indie bath and body vendors and Lush. And I also upload a psychic video here and there and an ASMR video here and there, but mostly Lush and some indie bath and body vendors. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.